Get your lemonade! Honk! Honk the horn! Lemonade! Get your lemonade! Lemonade! Get lemonade! Lemonade! Yeah! Dude, we got a honk.
All right, let's start. We got a honk.
Lemonade! $10 lemonade in here. Best deal gonna get in Twinsburg. $10 lemonade. Best deal. $10
$10 lemonade. Come on.
You're thirsty.
All right.
Hey, $10. Honk if you're thirsty.
Honk if you're thirsty.
$10 lemonade. $10 lemonade. It's $10. It's $10 lemonade. Honk if you're thirsty.
Beep beep.
Honk if you're thirsty. I didn't ask for a wait.
Stop! Stop! Wait! Stop! Stop!
Why?
We got $10 lemonade. What's your answer?
$10 lemonade?
I give you 2 for 10,
2 for 10?
or 3 for 10 actually. 7 kids.
Why you want to take my picture? You like it, huh?
No, it's not taking a picture.
Yeah,
It's a
fun,
video.
man, okay? Thank
What?
you. We don't need it now.
Come on, lemonade. I'll give you it for $2. $1. 50 cents.
You know what?
50 cents.
Give it to me.
Jack, pour him a glass of lemonade. We got a buyer.
I'm sorry, take this.
Thanks.
Alright.
For sale. Woo!
Have you?
Oh no, this is good lemon. No, you gotta wait for it. Jack, hurry up. Man's getting thirsty.
Fast.
Here you go, sir.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks.
Thanks for the 50 cents, man.
What?
We got 50 cents. Sir, I have a deal for you. I'll give you 2 for 5. 1 for 1.
No thanks.
0 for 0.
No, we're good.
You didn't even want a free glass of lemonade? What are your thoughts at this point?
My thoughts are, we keep on fighting for this. Oh, God! Honk if you're thirsty.
Stop! Oh, that was Chris.
1 for 1. 2 for 2. 10 for 10. Get your lemonade. Get your lemonade. Stop. Lemonade. $10. Oh, we.
I even like this is worth $10. It's good.
Tastes bad?
50 cents.
Tastes bad? $1 lemonade.
$10 lemonade.
Yeah, no thanks.
$10.
Can't, bro.
$10.
Don't you think it's a little pricey?
No, think you're a little gay?
You're gay.
L E F O S A I.
Oh, man.
You don't want any lemonade?
I don't want no picture. Don't take my picture.
So I'm not, man.
Lemonade. $10 lemonade.
Who wants lemonade?